This is a document from AbiWord, a lightweight free word processor. It is XML-based. You can open it in AbiWord or sometimes import it into Google Docs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try Google Docs. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering ABW files with corrupted internal metadata. An ABW file is an AbiWord document, a word processing format native to the AbiWord software. It stores formatted text, images, and other document elements. AbiWord is designed to be a lightweight and cross-platform word processor, making ABW files a versatile choice for document creation and sharing, especially in environments where resource usage is a concern. The ABW format is XML-based, allowing for relatively easy parsing and manipulation. It supports various formatting options, including styles, tables, and lists. The design prioritizes simplicity and efficiency, reflecting AbiWord's focus on being a lean and fast word processor. The XML structure ensures platform independence and facilitates data exchange. The ABW file is widely endorsed for use with AbiWord developed by open source. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows renders limited formatting, so full editing must be done with compatible software. To unlock this specific ABW file, right-click your file and select Open With. If AbiWord is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If you cannot access the ABW file, no problem. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this ABW error to appear? First, use AbiWord. Open the file using AbiWord, the required application for the document. Next, use Alternative Viewer. Open the file using Microsoft Word or LibreOffice Writer. Finally, convert to Docs PDF. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like .docs or PDF. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.